Hey guys, it's Rita. This is week 4 of the Magical Christmas Collab hosted by Pink Zebra the Unicorn Crafter. I have linked her channel below along with all the other ladies that are participating in this collab, and the playlist will be linked there as well. Please make sure to check it out, and let's get on with the video today. So today I'm going to make a Christmas gnome using this foam piece and a mop head from Dollar Tree. I'll also be using this small styrofoam ball for the nose. And first I'm going to stick it on this wooden dowel and just give it a coat of paint, and this paint is called Boulder. Then I will be cutting the mop head off, gluing it around the cone. So I'll just let you watch, and I'll jump in from time to time to explain what I've done. Now I'll just be cutting some of the strings off the mop head, and then I will also cut those in half, and starting at the top I will hot glue those around the styrofoam cone. And now I'm starting on the second row. Just work your way down and around. Now I'm going to begin unraveling the mop head, and what I discovered is that when you start to unravel you may lose some pieces, so I've gone in and put a bead of hot glue all the way around the top on each row, so when you unravel you don't lose some of your strings in the process. Okay, so it's unraveled, and just fluff it up, straighten it out a little bit. This is actually the longest part of making this gnome, is unraveling those mop head strings. Now I've just taken a piece of felt and cut out each side of this hat, hot glued it, flipped it inside out. But to cover the seam you can use, of course, anything you want, but I thought we'd make a bling gnome today. So I'm going to use this bling I found at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put it just up through that seam, and then I decided to run it along the edges in the front as well. I also grabbed a few of those extra mop strings I had cut off and stuffed them up in the very top just to give it a little more support and hold that top up in place. Of course, you could stuff it with anything you wanted to. And now we need to hot glue his nose on. I almost forgot his nose. Of course, we've got to have that. So just make you a little place right under the brim of the hat and hot glue that nose in there. And here's where I decided it needed a little more bling. Stay tuned for the reveal. Okay guys, here he is. I think this turned out really adorable. You could decorate this any way you want it to. I actually have so many mop strings left, I think I will make another one. But thank you Pink Zebra, the Unicorn Crafter, for hosting the Magical Christmas Collab. Thanks to all the ladies who are participating. A big thanks to my subscribers who continue to show their support, and thanks to all you guys out there watching today. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. Be sure to check out the playlist below to see what all the other ladies have come up with in this magical Christmas collaboration. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.